Hey guys, it's Frances, and if you've been following my channel for any period of time, you know that I've done some reviews for Beauty Big Bang, and I'll list their website down below, but they're a company based out of China, and they have a lot of nail supplies as well as other things. Well, they sent me a gift. This was a surprise to me, so let's look and see what's inside. So the first thing I noticed is this pillow. It is really, really soft, and it's microfiber, I think, and it's got some of these adornments on the edges of it. And I'm thinking it might be nice to like rest your hands on if you're doing a manicure for somebody. Also, there is some nail foil glue, as well as this pack of nail foils, and I'm going to open it up and let you guys see the different nail foils in there. And there is the product number. In case you wanted to search it out, feel free to pause the video to get the number, and I will try and list them below as well. And these are ultra holographic. I'm surprised it's not freaking out my camera a little more than what it is. And I'm going to lay them out so that you can see them all. So there's a geometric one. There's another one that's more snowflake and Christmas related. That would be so pretty for Christmas next year. Here are some water marble. So if you ever wanted hollow water marble. And there's a floral as well as a summery one. And the summery one is really pretty. And I also got some holographic polishes. So I'm going to give you the numbers there. 002, 009, and 010. And I will be doing a review for these. This is what 002 looks like. 009. And 010. I'll be swatching these for you in another video. And I also got 3 stamping polishes, and I will be swatching these for you in a separate video as well. And I'm going to take them out so that you can see them. There's a black, which is 002. A gold, and this is a very yellow gold. And then 001, which is a very metallic blue. So those are all the things that I got, and I'm really so excited. Thank you so much, Beauty Big Bang, for sending them to me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.